Eli, welcome to the club.
Yeah, man. First we got Wesley breaking his knee, then we got you breaking your elbow, and now I rolled my ankle.
Yeah. And how much did those crutches cost you anyway? I know my bills weren't cheap.
Dude, Wesley's medical bills are insane.
Wait, guys, I just had a super great idea.
Dude, you know what would low-key make like a lot of money? If we had this neon party where all these people came over and paid us to have a cool neon evening, and that's what we'd call it.
Eli, that idea is terrible.
As you can see, we, the men of Third Center Wengets, are in a dire state. We need cash, fast. Otherwise, Big Pharma is going to send us to debtor's prison. That's why we're bringing back the Art Auction Open House. Our men of 3C do their best to make masterpiece works of art, which you can buy to help us pay our medical bills. So, come to the Third Center Wengets Art Auction Open House on April 21st. Help us pay our medical bills. Please.